seeing free Bitcoin being added to your crypto wallet every single day without investing a dime, without mining, and without needing to know a single thing about blockchain technology. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it was, until now. Hi, I'm Glenn Koski, and alongside my assistant Jessica, I'm about to share something with you that could change your life. This is about joining an exclusive opportunity, our 2025 Bitcoin Automation Test Group. This isn't just another opportunity, it's the opportunity for 2025 and beyond, powered by a groundbreaking Bitcoin loophole that we accidentally stumbled upon when Bitcoin hit $100,000 in December 2024. Did you know that Elon Musk, Donald Trump, and even Richard Branson are major advocates of Bitcoin's potential? Bitcoin already hit $100,000 in 2024, and experts like Elon Musk believe $200,000 is right around the corner. They've recognized that cryptocurrencies are the future, and now it's your turn to get in on the action. Our 2025 Bitcoin Automation Test Group is a unique opportunity to join an exclusive community testing this revolutionary system and sharing in its incredible results. But before I tell you about that, let me ask you this. How many times have you heard about people striking it rich with Bitcoin and thought, if only I had gotten in earlier? Well, here's the good news. You haven't missed the boat. In fact, a new opportunity has just opened up that's even better than buying Bitcoin in its early days. And here's the kicker. This system works everywhere in the world. Whether you're in a bustling city like New York, London, or Tokyo, or living in a rural area in India, Nigeria, or Brazil, you can tap into this loophole. It's already being used by everyday people in over 50 countries, and even celebrities and billionaires are cashing in. To understand this, let's go back in time to 1848 when gold was first discovered in California. Thousands of people rushed to stake their claim, hoping to strike it rich. But here's the thing. The real fortunes weren't made by the miners themselves. No, the biggest profits went to those who knew how to work smarter, not harder, like the merchants selling tools and supplies. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin is the new gold rush. But this time, you don't need to pick up a shovel or even buy Bitcoin to cash in. Instead, you'll be tapping into a hidden loophole that allows you to earn Bitcoin for free, ethically and legally, and without risking a single penny. Here's how it all started. Late last year, as Bitcoin was rocketing past $100,000, I was working with a team of blockchain experts on a completely unrelated project. During one of our late-night brainstorming sessions, we stumbled upon a strange anomaly in the way Bitcoin transactions were being processed. At first, we thought it was a glitch, but as we dug deeper, we realized we had uncovered a completely untapped method for generating free Bitcoin, something that's completely under the radar. This isn't mining, trading, or any of the usual methods you've heard about. This is a totally unique system that leverages a secret built into the very framework of Bitcoin's network. The moment we tested it, the results were mind-blowing. Within hours, we saw Bitcoin trickling into our wallets. Then it happened again and again. This wasn't luck. It was a breakthrough. Over the next few weeks, we refined the system and tested it across different devices, accounts, and locations. And guess what? It worked like clockwork every single time. This wasn't just a fluke. It was a life-changing discovery. Since then, this loophole has changed my life and the lives of a handful of early testers. I live in the UK, and this system has worked perfectly for me, not just at home, but also while I've been traveling. I've personally used it in the US, Dubai, and Thailand, earning Bitcoin effortlessly no matter where I am. The same goes for Jessica, who has been traveling between Brazil, India, and South Africa. No matter where she is, she's seen consistent success with this system, proving that location is no barrier when it comes to making this work. And here's the best part. This system doesn't just work for Bitcoin. We've also used these strategies to earn other cryptocurrencies, including trending meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and even Pepe. The possibilities are endless when you know how to leverage this system. Imagine using your growing crypto portfolio to buy your dream Lamborghini, a Ferrari, or even a luxury penthouse condo overlooking the ocean. This is the kind of lifestyle our system can help you achieve. And for the first time ever, it's my pleasure to introduce the 100K Bitcoin system, a world's first revolutionary system that harnesses this Bitcoin loophole to generate free Bitcoin for you 24/7 on autopilot. Here's how it works. Step 1, access the 100K Bitcoin system. Step 2, follow the simple setup instructions, which takes less than 10 minutes. And finally, Step 3, This is where we sit back and watch as Bitcoin flows into our wallets. It's literally set and forget. Once you activate the system, it does all the hard work for you. No trading, no mining, no risky investments. Now, I know this sounds too good to be true. That's why I've compiled real results from real people who are using this system right now. People like Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who is making a few $100s per week in free Bitcoin. Or James, a college student who's now making enough to pay off his student loans. These are ordinary people, just like you, who decided to take action. And it's not just ordinary people. Major figures like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban have praised Bitcoin's potential. And global banks like JP Morgan are investing billions into blockchain technology. This isn't a trend, it's the future. Now here's the deal. During this special launch period, you can get lifetime access to the 100K Bitcoin system for a tiny one-time investment less than the cost of dinner for two. But this opportunity won't last forever. Once the launch ends, the price will go up, and we may have to close the doors entirely to maintain the system's exclusivity. Act now, and you'll not only secure access at the lowest price ever, but also guarantee that you're part of the 2025 Bitcoin Automation Test Group. Remember, spots are limited, and we're looking for action takers only. Don't wait until it's too late. And to make this a complete no-brainer, I'm including these exclusive bonuses when you act now, including the Ultimate Bitcoin Starter Guide, which is perfect for beginners and free access to our VIP community where you can connect with other users and get ongoing support. And to completely remove the risk, we're offering a 180-day money-back guarantee. That's right, try the system for a full 6 months, and if you don't see results, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. But that's not all. If for some reason you don't get results, let us know what you tried, and not only will we refund your money, but we'll also send you $250 for your time. It's a win-win situation. Here's the catch. The price of the system goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to join the hottest, most lucrative opportunity of 2025 without risking a single cent, click the button below now. This is your chance to secure your spot, join the exclusive 2025 Bitcoin Automation Test Group, and start seeing Bitcoin flow into your wallet daily. Remember, opportunities like this don't come around often. Click the button now to get started, and I'll see you on the inside.